Hey everyone, I'm Cheyenne and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because Ben and I are going to go to this food truck rodeo where all the food trucks come together in one place. And we've tried a bunch of the food trucks. We've tried this Italian burrito one, we've tried a normal burrito truck, and we've tried this African truck. So I'm excited to see what other kind of food trucks they have there tonight. So I'm going to bring you guys with me and we're going to check it out. Interesting. Is it seafood?
Yeah. Six oysters with one glass of wine, $10.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, right? Continue?
Yeah, let's continue. Let's see what they have going. Oh, look at the puppy!
Madame, c'est 10 € si vous prenez la carte. Oui. Ça contacte? Ah non, il marche plus, ça contacte.
Merci. Bonsoir. Hey, santé. Line. It must be really good. See the African truck and the Italian truck.
Ooh, from Madagascar.
Let's do this one. All right. So you settled Madagascar.
Les tapas, sac-sac.
Ce sera tout?
Ce sera tout, ouais. Moi, je bien
Great, let's see. Alright, so a little disappointed. It's a lot smaller than we thought it was going to be.
Yes.
Oh, perfect. These will come in handy.
It's a lot smaller.
Alright, I guess, what is this? I don't know what that is. I think it's vinegar? No, I don't. I don't know.
This is a...
That's spicy. So this is spicy. Like a little salad. Let's try this.
It's perfect.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna go for the spicy. I think I'm gonna regret this. Oh no, that's really good. Yeah, that's what I'm eating too. We decided to get the duck kebab, more like a shawarma to me, but it's pretty good. The duck fries are really good. It's like in duck grease, which sounds really disgusting, but it tastes so good. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to continue filming because my memory card was full, but we just went to another food truck and got a little banana cream dessert that ended up being really good, and that was the rest of our night. If you'd like to see more of these videos, like and comment below. Thanks for watching!